Welcome back to the channel, everybody. The hat is back, which means we are back in business. Today it is a winter wonderland, back again outside here. Ryan and I are going to be hitting up our favorite dealership, actually the dealership that he bought his truck from and the one that I bought my Jeep from, Poglen Chrysler, up in Marysville. Get my oil change and then a few other things for Ryan. He has to pick up some stuff, order some stuff. So there should be a good little video here for you guys. It's days like this that I'm really jealous of people that actually have remote starts. I can't get one because of the manual transmission. I hate coming out here and starting it up and then just waiting. I just dropped her off to get her oil change, and right next to it in the service department is a Go Mango Demon. It's got the drag radials on it already. Not good for winter, but no kidding. So this is what it looks like when you don't spend the extra $1 to get the front seat or the rear seats. I've never seen a Demon without the front seat and the rear seat, and there was a big marketing kind of thing for them. They said, oh, if you guys want front seat, extra $1. If you guys want the rear seat, $1. The Demon crate, also $1, which came with the drag radials and the slicks. So he must have gotten the Demon crate, just saved the $2 on the seats. Since Ryan's over there talking to Braden, we're going to take a look at these Hellcats here. Got a Challenger. It doesn't have the wide body on it. Charger, and then we actually do have another Hellcat over here that does have the wide body kit on it. Honestly, from like the press release photos, wasn't a fan of the wide body flares, but seeing them in person, they actually look dope. Ooh baby, and it's manual. I think that's the one thing I like more about the Challenger Hellcats, is you could still get them in a manual. The Chargers are only automatic, but I kind of like the four-door better. Personally, to me, I think the four-door look looks better to me, especially in this blue. This blue's dope. Air intakes here, that, like the Challenger, is in their headlights. So on the inside of their center of their headlights, they got the air intakes here. But the Charger, they changed up the grille to include a set of those, and I've seen people wrap those to match, and they look absolutely sick. Either that Jeep's sitting on something or it's massive. All right, since Ryan's inside messing around with Braden, looking up Hellcat prices and stuff like that, we are out here on their used lot, and they have a JK out here that dwarfs its brother right here next to it. So I'm trying to get this angle as best I can, but you can see just by the fenders how much higher this JK is over here. So this one looks like it's pretty stock, steel bumper. This is like a 1941 edition. Looks pretty stock. Those are aftermarket. Oh no, those are the Jeep wheels you can get. This one looks like it's got some kind of Rocky Ridge or something like that package on it. It's got a bumper, lights, got the winch on there with synthetic rope. If you guys are gonna get a winch, highly recommend getting synthetic rope. It's a lot safer than steel cable. This one's nice and all, it's done. It's got a lot of aftermarket parts on it, side steps, you know, front bumper, all that kind of stuff. But I would still probably go for the 1941 for one reason only. This one is a 6-speed. I love 6 speeds, especially in a Jeep. I feel like it's really the only way to own a Jeep, although the automatics have gotten a lot better in the years. But I'm just a big fan of driving manual cars. I walk outside here. Braden said they had a Laramie two-tone that's manual. So of course Ryan had to check it out. Oh my god, it's got the long bed too. Oh, you kill it?
There may not be a dead battery here.
Oh, you killed it.
Yeah, dead battery.
Nah, I blame it on you.
And look at different than mine. Heated and cooled. Heated wheel. This is nice. Oh, this leather is decent too. I mean, it is cold. I know I never liked leather, but wow. Laramie manual, guys.
I swear we can never come to Coglen without looking at like 5 or 6 cars. Like Ryan was just inside looking at prices for Hellcats. and we came outside because there was another manual Cummins Laramie, which is actually really nice, with the two-tone leather interior, heated and cooled seats, really nice. And now we're over here looking for burnout trucks, and Braden said that he might have one back here for us. This truck seems so small, like compared to everything else.
The base trucks is kind of like perfect for what you guys can use it for.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna cut this off.
I was trying to get you guys into the LS truck, but you guys didn't want to have any part of it.
That's true. Some crazy RT out here on their used lot and a Hellcat. It's like, damn, they got a lot of good stuff out here. There's that Jeep. You can see the height difference in the roofs. It's nice that that you know, I get my oil change here, and you know, we know somebody, you know, Braden over here and Randy, so you know, we could waste some time, you know, shooting the shit with them and talking cars and all this. But walking the lot here, it's like, it's not bad, it's just the wind is always just horrible. It's so cold. But I don't know if you guys knew this about me. Obviously you guys saw my video where I actually ordered a mojito. Sorry about the wind if you can't hear me. I actually ordered a mojito and a Hella Yellow because I could not decide on color. What you didn't know is I actually almost bought a pumpkin. This color is my favorite color, honestly. Orange has always been my favorite color. Orange is my wife's favorite color, and she was really rooting for this one. And then when I kind of was just between the mojito and the Hella Yellow, she was really rooting for the Hella Yellow, and obviously you can imagine her disappointment when I came home with a mojito instead. Ooh, look how good she looks coming out of there. Coughlin always has a bunch of Saharas, and they always have a bunch of different colors. Randy loves to order the bright colors and like the fun packages, so that's why you always see, when we're here, we always see at least a Plum Crazy Challenger. We see pretty much every color Wrangler, but he loves to order the Saharas. A lot of people out here like the Saharas. I was actually the first, and technically the second, since I ordered two, first and second Rubicon to come through their lot. And actually I'm not 100% sure they've had one since, but they are always down to order something fun. That's how Ryan ended up with his Hills Green. Ooh, all these Jeep lift kits in here. Does anybody know what these are yet, Ryan? No?
Well, kind of. People guess.
Some people got it, but yeah, this big box is not for the Jeep. It's actually for Ryan's truck. So killing two birds with one stone, oil change, and we ended up getting Ryan's parts back here. And I guess we actually killed three birds with one stone because we got to walk around and look at some Hellcats. So Braden just told us that Randy just picked this thing up. So Randy, if you're watching this, why, man? Just why? He was telling us about the paint issues you were having. This thing was fully painted, I guess, before they started hauling it back down here. But as soon as they started hauling it, I guess on the highway, it just started chipping. Interior needs a little bit of love, but not too much, not too much. New weather strip. Fresh coat of paint, maybe some new lenses back here. Oh yeah, that's cracked. But yeah, Randy, it's like, first glance, like, why, buddy, why? It's for Hal. This is the one my wife is looking at, pretty much. Well, not this exact one, but she's looking at a Altitude Edition Grand Cherokee. This thing's got pretty much everything that she wants. So Hal, when you watch this video, this is for you right here. Or you can upgrade, babe, to the SRT or a Trackhawk. But this SRT, sick. All blacked out emblems. I thought it was a Trackhawk originally because this looks like the Trackhawk bumper, but I guess they said for 19 the SRTs do get the upgraded bumper that has these 3 slots that are open down here. But that looks really good. This is an SUV that I've wanted for years, so you guys may be seeing one of these on the channel in the future. That's the best thing about this channel. It's not just a Jeep channel. You guys have kind of given me the freedom to look at other cars and make it more of a car channel, so I don't just have to stick with the Wrangler. Maybe eventually even a Demon if I could find one. Like I said, the SRT Grand Cherokee, maybe even a Trackhawk. That is something that I have wanted for such a long time. I think these are absolutely sick. I have to get Hallie back in here so we can figure out her grandchild. I needed her to build it first. I just need her to like decide on what she really wants and send it in to you and see if we can't either dealer trade for it or if you guys can order it in or whatever needs to be done. But appreciate it. We'll see you later, man. So now that we got fresh oil, we picked up Ryan's package here, and he was looking at some prices for some other small upgrades. Who the hell was sitting here? Let's see, it's like all the way back. Now that we got all that taken care of, it is time to head back. I mean, the oil change didn't take long at all. Ryan and I, obviously every time we come here, we get distracted by all the cars they have on their lot, especially all the Hellcats that they have on their showroom floor. And then obviously if there's any kind of neat diesel trucks or Jeeps outside, we like to take a peek at those. Oh yeah, it fit just fine. And just like that, we are back at home. Yeah, I just pulled right into the service bay. I left my pedal commander out. So that just goes to show you that you do not have to hide the pedal commander or uninstall it or something like that. They still will work on your vehicle. Not worried about voiding your warranty or anything like that. The service guy actually asked me what the pedal commander did and what it was for, and you know, he was actually fairly interested and he's going to look them up. So it's a little bit of a different video for you guys. You're mostly just kind of hanging out with Ryan and I as we walked around as I was getting an oil change, and we were just looking at different cars, looking at prices for some Hellcats, and shooting the shit with our salesman Braden. He's awesome, you guys check him out. And Randy is the sales manager. He wasn't there today, but if you guys are in Central Ohio, they are the guys to go to. They are actually car guys, and they're not just gonna, you know, sell you into something that, you know, they just want to make money on. Besides that, I want to thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. We just hit that yesterday. So give yourself a pat on the back for helping me reach 4,000 subscribers, and we're still climbing. So let's keep that going. This is just, I mean, again, every time I hit a milestone, it just blows my mind that all you guys are following me and, you know, are interested in stuff that I'm doing to my Wrangler, even though, I mean, things are coming. I know I haven't done anything big yet, but it's gonna get crazy here in the next couple weeks. I just want to quickly thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I really like getting back to you guys and answering all your questions. So tomorrow is actually another cool video. We are heading up to Detroit to go to the auto show. I've never been to the Detroit Auto Show. Actually, I've never even been to Detroit. But we are heading up there. We're gonna get some footage of, you know, the Gladiator's gonna be out. There's gonna be the new Supra's gonna be there. The 2020 Cummins and the heavy duty trucks for the Rams are gonna be there. So we're gonna see it all. I heard the show is absolutely incredible, so I'm looking forward to that. I hope you guys are looking forward to the video. So before it gets too much darker out here, I'm gonna head back inside. It's getting a little cold outside. We have wing night with some of the guys at work. Leave a comment below, like what's your guys' order? I'll order it up for you for next time. Yeah, we're gonna hit up some wing night, celebrate 4,000 subscribers, and just want to thank you guys so much. If you have not been here before, get down there, hit subscribe, leave this video a big thumbs up. You guys deserve it after helping me reach 4,000 subscribers. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers so we can give away this blackout grill that I have for a JK. And go ahead, get down there, leave some comments, leave me your B-dubs order, and we will catch you guys in the next one.